Good afternoon. In front of you, you have the need to knows and what we're going to do for the Bio 20 class, September 30th, 2015. We're basically going to finish up our talk on biomes here, and so the whole notion of the 6 biomes, what are they, but more importantly for you to try and figure out what 2 key abiotic and 2 key biotic features there would be for each. And just kind of as a hint on the abiotic side of things, we're really going to focus in on temperature and precipitation as 2 key features of every biome, and that of course will determine a lot of what can grow there and what can live there. Make sure you know what an ecotone is. You can get that straight out of your textbook. And then we're also going to look at some key terms and descriptions of various ecosystems like a muskeg, a forest, an aquatic, and a soil ecosystem. So you'll have to, I have a handout for that you can see in a minute. What we're going to do in terms of various activities today, the tests are being handed back from Unit A, and we're going to go over that. We're going to finish our biomes activity, and then you're going to complete the bio summary sheet, and you're also going to complete the ecosystems terms and description chart, which I will show you in a minute. As well, questions 2 through 7 on page 93 should be done, and tomorrow we're going to do our first Prezi entry. So if you take a look here, sorry, it's right here. This is the biomes summary sheet, and once the biomes have, the activity has been done, the 6 biomes will be written in the first column, and then the comparisons of precipitation and the comparisons of temperature are 2 really important abiotic factors, and then to kind of also identify 2 unique biotic factors. So for example, in the taiga biome, evergreen trees are really important to know that they're a big part of that biome. So that would be one unique biotic factor. And then there's a couple of other things here. Record the 4 biomes found in Canada, record the biomes specific to Alberta, record the 2 biomes not found in Canada, and in general, what do you notice about how latitude affects temperature and precipitation of the biomes? So that's that handout. And then the last one is this terms and descriptions of various ecosystems. So maybe I will zoom this out so you can see the entire page. So this is based on pages 94 to 100 in your textbook, and all you are simply going to do is write down these 4 ecosystems, the key terms that belong to that ecosystem. There's one just below for soil that you can't see. There it is, bedrock. And then a description of that ecosystem. So what's a description of muskeg? So if you were walking in a bush in northern BC, how would you ever know you're in a muskeg? If somebody said, look into the canopy of a forest, what exactly would that mean? If somebody said, we're studying the living things in the limnetic zone of an aquatic ecosystem, what would that mean? Where's the subsoil located in a soil ecosystem? So those are some terms that need to be read and identified.